Want to spend less on your Hostgator web hosting purchase and get a Hostgator coupon code discount? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be providing you with an exclusive Hostgator coupon code that will get you a Hostgator discount, saving you money on your Hostgator hosting purchase, plus get you a free domain name on annual plans or a domain discount on non-annual plans. You'll save even more than what you see being listed here on the Hostgator plans page by entering our exclusive Hostgator promo code at checkout. I'm going to walk you through the steps to get the exclusive Hostgator discount. You want to start by clicking the link in the description below to get your Hostgator discount. I've included the Hostgator coupon code next to the link in the description. You want to enter at checkout under the Enter a Coupon Code section. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostgator at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Hostgator discount. Now let me walk you through the steps and go over the Hostgator discounted amounts. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the Hostgator page. Click the Get Started button. You'll now be on the Hostgator hosting plans page. You'll get a greater discount than you see being listed here by using our exclusive Hostgator coupon code. I'll choose the Hatchling plan. On this page, scroll down to the Enter a Coupon Code section and replace the Hostgator promo code that is there with our promo code provided in the description with the link. Scroll up to the billing cycle section and click it, and you'll see the new discounted rates showing based on the Hostgator plan you chose. For all annual plans, you'll get a free domain name and a domain discount on non-annual plans. Enjoy your Hostgator coupon code discount so you can save some money on your Hostgator hosting purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Hostgator hosting tutorial videos.